That was weird. All right, let's do this. Am I in stocks? I am. Holy shit. We do options. I guess you can call it stocks, right? Part of stocks. Announcement schedule. Copy text. I try not to like even focus on opening right away. Because if you're not already in something, no need to like rush into it. Because that's when it costs the most. Premiums. That's what I'm talking about. Cheat code. I hope I can help you out, man. I can answer any questions you have. I won't tell you to buy stuff, but I can definitely chart shit out. You know what I'm missing? Where's that? Is my disclaimer missing for some reason on this? Sorry, guys. I'm not frozen. I'm just trying to add this one text. There you go. TikTok series acting up. Whatever. What the fuck? How did they get in so? FSLR. That's cool. I didn't get any liquid on that move. Dude, guys, am I crazy or like the TikTok stream doesn't have that financial advice text not showing up for anyone? Great, whatever. Flowers, do you see it on your screen? I don't see it on my screen for some reason. Lumen, Disney app. CLS case up 22%. Should I close it? PLTR. Nice little push up right there, Flowers. Get over 180, then you're rocking. Disney up, Lumen up, CLS case pulling back. What is this horseshit? I'm just gonna chill and vibe. Son of a bitch. I was right. MNQ pull back. I didn't set my limit on an MNQ play. On an MNQ trade. Dummy. Dummy. I only got one play ready today, Vino. Just tell me when. I'm gonna full port SPX at the end of the day. So I'm gonna spend half the morning looking up tickers with Liquid. You know, his name's just screaming at me in a side chat. Look, he gave us this name yesterday, right? TON. It popped off. Hey, how much were your cons, Liquid? I didn't see in call outs or ideas either, but you know, that's just me. I bet you it's in our side chat that I rarely go into. No, Liquid, you didn't tell me to take it. You didn't put it in call outs and ideas. I'm scrolling through it right now. I'm looking for a TLN in that chat, in call outs and ideas. Still looking for it. Still don't see it. Definitely not in there. Definitely not in there. You put something 3 days ago, 2 days ago, at 10 a.m. 2 days ago. And those flow came in like last week, like 2 weeks ago. It started coming in like in December 19th. I'm scrolling all the way back. December 19th when it started flowing in. Damn, Mino, my bad. You did 1,400% on that trade, my dude. 1,400% is wild. Bro, just put it in chat. Stop DMing me on the side with something. Liquid, please. Like we have a call ideas for a good reason. Please, for the love of God. 2 days ago. You told me 2 days ago. So it was lottos. It was super lottos, Liquid. You could say that too, actually. You can be, this is a risky lottos. But flows come in on it. That could be a word. Come on. We would love that. I appreciate you for that. No? No? I love you, man. Others want to see it too. Bro, you just, what if others want to trade that? Like Titan or Rhino? No? I know, I've read it. I read it, Liquid. Chill. I'm just saying. Just putting call outs on ideas. You have good call outs on ideas. Stop being a bitch about it. What are you scared of? It's their money, remember? We don't win them all. It's their responsibility to, like, you know, manage their own shit. But that's a good fucking trade. Good job. I hate you. You babied them too much, man. Hi, Jason. I didn't even see you pop in, Jason. Jason, you hear me? Oh, volume check. Is my music too loud for you, Jason? I can't tell. I can never hear, actually. With the tap flowers. Hey, Jason, just like reshare the stream. Let's get like more people. WWR. I haven't checked. I'm all out of WWR. Why was it moving? I'm going to take TLN off my face, out of my screen, because Flowers, I've been trading for since 2019 through the goods, well, through the bads mostly, and then now we're good. I'm at 40 cents now, Vino, on WWR. What about you, Flowers? How long have you been trading for? Let me take my retainer out. When this shit like all night. Anybody have like Invisalign? That shit hurts after a while. Do you guys see the? Hold on, I'm jumping around now. My medicine is kicking in. NQ bounce off 852. Pull back. That's an impulse. I'm gonna see if I can pull a long right here. Hold on. Limit buy to at. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna long NQ at 856. Let's see if it does another little retest here. 852. 852. Roughly 4 years trying to find consistency. Yeah. Are you there yet? Like, are you consistent, or what's holding you back from being consistent? Not there yet. What are your wins so far, Flowers? Like, too many trades? Like, how many trades do you take a day? Let me ask you this: what is your risk size per day? You can tell me like your portfolio too, like how much you have in your account to trade. We can start there. On the 3 minute MNQ, the 113 is at 835. Just whoever's trading MNQ and listening. So I expect a bounce at that level too, in that zone. Too many trades, yeah. Um, I'm curious to know flower size, flowers size, sizing. Bro, yes. No, you have to. So check this out. You have 5,000. Let's say that's a good size account, to be honest with you. I like to reset to that number as well. Um, Hold on. Let me see if I can catch a quick NQ trade. So I would say half of your 5K, use it for trading during that day. 5K would be a cash account, right? Or use a margin account. Well, you shouldn't use a margin account because you only get 3 day trades within a week, within the 5 days of trading, whatever you call it. Oh, can you hear me now? Any better? Any better? Yeah, cash for sure. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen on the right side. Yeah, so you need to move my shit over here so the things in my face. Just trade 2,500 or even like 2,000 a day, right? And then yeah, you said it yourself. Take the small wins. We only focus on base hits, man. Take the 20%. Compound that each day. It adds up fast, huh? I'm gonna set a buy at 881 NQ. I want to see an impulse red. Yeah, for your trades, you say too many trades, right? So I'm assuming I was in the issues where you're just chasing the bigger hits or even like more wins because you're seeing like the small percentage, like it's not enough, so you just jumping in more and more, and then you get good wins, and then sometimes you just get like the bad wins that just wipe out your profit from the day. I got you, man. I know exactly. We all been there. We all been there. I do that sometimes when liquid doesn't like help me out or anything. Right, liquid? I'm just kidding. Liquid's in his YouTube chat right now. He's one of our he's one of our top traders in in our Discord. But yeah, dude, I would focus on like 5 trades or less, 5 good trades, 5 solid trades. If you can do like 1, even 2 good trades a day, you can catch one in the morning between 7 and 8 o'clock well, I'm in California time, so I say 7, 8 o'clock. So it's 30 minutes after opening. You stay away from that zone of buying. But if you're swinging, take a profit. Damn, I missed a Q dip buy. I was way off. Oh man, my limit. That was a good set too. Yeah, dude. Focus on your chart. How's your charting? Are you doing like, if I pull up a chart, let's say PLTR, right? Let's just talk. I'm not in trades right now. The guys are doing all the work for now, and I'm just gonna listen to Liquid in Discord. Um, are you good with charting? I would I like I don't want to, like, assume that you're not or anything. I just want to make sure. There we go. How are you finding trades? I know, Jason. I'm just watching it right now. Do we have data today? Is that, hold on, Discord? Actually, let's do Tem because Liquid just brought it up, and I don't want to miss one of his amazing trades that he likes to hide. All right, for my strategy, for the way I look at charts, flowers, you do from a zoom out to a zoom in, right? So I'm gonna put up some Weeble as well because we might pull this trade in and look at the option chains. February 6th. We actually might take this, to be honest with you. Okay, cool. I'm back. Sorry. So for instance, this name pops up and we're gonna look at it. I zoom out, take a look at weekly, and then the first thing I want to know is, can I see any patterns or any channels that it can be in? Like, I love channels. It's just the way I trade. Not really a channel right here. Could be a channel. That could be our weekly channel right here. Daily. And this is the simplest like strategy you can do. Liquid, are we taking TEM over 70? Liquid, are we taking TEM over 70? You're in 35 cons. Why do I hate you sometimes? I'm going to take TEM over 70. That's the pre-market high, the ORP high. Here, let's dive in. Let's dive in fast. You're going to take a quick crash course right now. Flowers. So channel. So the channel play, in my mind, I can target here. But this orange line is one of my favorite orange line. It's a 113 EMA. So that's our first target. So right now we're between a 200 EMA, a bounce right here on a daily, which is a good sign of going bull. Like if it bounces off the EMA, like a 200 or 113, I would look for calls. Zoom in for 4 hours. Did a pullback overnight, I bet. That's a nice pullback. So I look for and then next I'm going to fib something. Like I'm going to look for the last impulse to fib on the last 4 hour impulse. Is this guy right here. So it's coming up to resistant, first resistant. Let's flip this low high. There we go. Now we have the 4 hour fib on TEM from the last impulse leg, which is this red leg. It's supposed to be red, so it's mine's like green, right? Then I'm gonna zoom in and look for targets for pullback to enter. I like to use the 3 minutes or the 7 minutes because we're swinging our trades. You can use the 7 minutes more. I'm fast as fuck right now. Sorry. So if my first pullback is right, a discount would be down here at 67.79. That would be a discount buy down here. I gotta get rid of this fucking channel. Hold on. Get rid of it. There you go. That's a discount spot to buy because you're pulling back to the golden zone discount, but I don't think it's gonna pull back. It's gonna test at 70. So here's the level to test. Pre-market high. Right now it's actually over pre-market. I am just flying Vino. The 20 kicked in. The green line and the red line, these are my pre-market indicators. The pre-market 30 minutes, the pre-market. So the first 30 minutes, I have a green line for high and green line for low. So if this price comes back, it tested 70. I expect it to come back here to the green line. If it's more bullish, which I'm assuming it can be because that's more flow, right? We're gonna retest the 70 and break through. Another option is it would just do this. It'll test right now, push through like it did, come back down to the green line again, and it might pull through because you have a node right here. See that node? That's a volume shelf for me on a volume profile. Let's see how it plays out. It's your option. And then you can play the green line. You can trade the green line as your support resistance or the red line as your support resistance. Anytime it goes down to the 618 zone or the golden zone pocket, that's my buy zone. That'll be a nice discount, but it doesn't mean you buy it right away, my guy. If it comes back to the buy zone and it holds a buy zone, then figure out a long entry, like buy calls for like a week, 2 weeks out, whatever you want. Was that fast? That's how my mind operates when I'm looking at options. But dude, if you haven't, you know what? Just jump in our Discord when you get a chance, or just check us out, right? We you can ask me a million questions or DM me in TikTok, so I can help either way. But our Discord, you'll learn a lot. But that was a super crash course right there. Let's see if this works out. I'm gonna zoom. Let me pull up my other 4 charts. Right, Tesla is between 441 and 450. This is a chop zone, right, guys? Team, between 441 and 450, you can just chop it up. All right, let me read some notes in here before Liquid yells at me. See if I too busy yelling at me. AMD 230 gamma. Vinyl, just tell me when to go SPX. Hey, Vinyl, for these or Pixel, is Pixel on here? For these scans, these charts, the more red and yellow means more. What is the simplest thing for us to like understand? Like, it's ready to go. Like, is that what it's saying? Like, it's ready to fucking pop. Something like that. You know? You tell me. Yo, Pixel, how do you read? How do I read this? Buying pressure. So the more red, more like means that this fucking send the calls. Yellow equals day traders. Red would be green would be retail. Retail is sort of like us. And then you see the NQ dip to the 113, guys, on the 3 minutes. Did I say that shit? You can replay this. You can clip that. 113 doesn't miss on any time frame. Flowers, do me a favor. Add the 113 EMA on your charts. All of them. Whatever charts you're looking at. All of them. You can thank me later. So I'm gonna have to read this later. My mind can't read that right now, Pixel. we're in fast as fuck mode right now. We just gotta go. Brody, what's up, Brody? How are you guys doing? Hey, TikTok, do you guys see that not financial advice text on your screen at all? Or is this like being retarded? I can't see it at all. Yeah, it's not popping up. You know what? I'm just gonna have to like take an image of it and just fucking add it in here. Fucking dumb. Did I do it? Cool, it's right there. It's gonna be very pixelated, but I don't give a fuck. Image. Is that it? That's it. There, big ass picture. Let me fix that. Put over here. Sorry, the text feature in TikTok Studio is like broken, so I had to rig it. There you go. We had to jerry rig it. On YouTube, it's shown. On the other platform, the that I'm working on is shown. It's just all right. 10 right there. 70. Bam. I want a discount. Liquid is gonna pull back. Are we gonna pull back liquid? I want to retest the 70. Give me this retest. Dude, my NQ trade's going nuts right now, Brody. What up, Carlos? Hey, Brody, remember, you can use the 3-minute interval on NQ, ES, whatever you're trading on. Just trade off the 113 line. Did I grab it? Nope. I was too busy trying to fix this not financial advice bullshit text that didn't show up all morning. You know, I just want to make sure like randoms that pop in TikTok doesn't like get mad at me. You can do that too. Back on Top Step at the EMA. You can add an EMA in your Top Step. But Carlos, I'm waiting for this pullback here. If it gives a pullback, I want to retest the 70. My drawing's pretty good. Brody, it's under. Oh, look for the little symbol FX. That's your indicator symbol, and then in there, type in moving average exponential. That's your EMA. I'm waiting, Carlos. I want to retest here. Liquid, are you? Which calls are you in, Liquid? What up, Julius? You're absolutely right about that, man. One aspect straight after PM can make you more money than a week of pay. That's absolutely true. But we got to make sure we catch the right one. And retest 70. Bam. Can I hold? What's up, Jojo? I know Vinyl in Disney. Vinyl called it out like a couple days ago. Yeah. Did you get into that, Jill? Ten seconds. Disney. Disney still gave a good entry. Tem is testing the pre-market orb high. Watch that bounce off the green line. Disney, Disney, Disney. My contract size different than yours, I bet. Dude, what's comfortable for you, Carlos? I'm never gonna tell you my contract size, man. We don't do that here, because everyone's different, right? If you have like $1,000 in your port, and these contracts are like $5 each right now, I'm not gonna tell you like buy 3. You know. But yeah, I bought, and my contract average is 435 each. I bought a few. I typically buy at least an even number so I can trim out and let the other one ride or let the rest ride. I don't. Sometimes it's only like 2, right, or 3, 4. Sometimes like 100. Depends on how much. Yeah, Disney popped up, drop, pop and drop. But Disney can pull back and retest the 113 line or the 112 level. You know, I only got into this one right now, TEM, because Liquid told me to, because he wrote it in call outs and ideas, where great call outs and ideas belong. Yeah. All right. Let's actually call out Feb 6, 75 calls. Shit, I bought 70 calls. I overbought Liquid. I should listen. I can't read, apparently. And then we have a screenshot of, like, a thesis. His thesis is the 200 SMA backtest with shorter term MAs curling up. Perfect English and everything. Instructions for everyone. You got time, man. Wait for another pullback. How much are the 75 calls? Oh yeah, vinyl. Adam, did I give you the indicator? I called it. I think I invited you to an indicator, right? Yeah, it's called PM Orb Breakout by me, Tree. Oh, I got you, dude. If you're on TV, I'll send it to you. I gotta share it to you and I'll let people in, actually, because it can't be a public indicator on TV. Um, the 75 calls, they're actually pretty cheap. They're on two. You know what? I'll pick some of those up too. They're two. Let's say they're 250 each, right? Mid. They're about 260 each. You know what? I'll grab 75 calls as well. I just bought them. That's hopefully it fills. 270 now. It's moving. Okay, it filled. I got 71 and 75 calls. 450 for the 70 calls. And about 260 for the 75 calls. Hold on, let me see if I can pull up that indicator for you guys. Is it my profile? Scripts. It's this one right here, right? August 26th. Yeah, how do I share it? Can I share it? Oh, Vinyl, find out your TV name and then send it to me in Discord, and I'll add you to it, and then you should be able to get it. But how do I send it to you from here? Can I send it? Oh, here. Yeah, I'll drop the link in here. Discord. apply to it, and then I'll get a notification, and then I gotta approve it. Oh, let's go, JoJo. Waiting for a pullback. I already got the first pullback. But you're absolutely right. What I could have done better to show you a better, more responsible trader is that you would wait for 70.50 to hold. I hear boy awaken already. Hi, baby. You guys are way up too early. You guys want to go pee and lay back down? You have an hour before getting ready, baby. Go. Good morning. It's too early. See, the sun's not out yet. Go pee and then go lay back down for a little bit more. Okay? I'll be right there. Thank you, boys. Thank you for listening. Aspen smells good. Of course, Aspen smells good. ACHR. Who else got ACHR? I know a couple of guys got ACHR, right? Pixel was the first one to send me. Got you, Pixel. Good fucking catch, guys. JoJo. I thought you got it. Oh, you didn't get it. I read on this 75 calls. That's in like you got the 75 calls. Oh, god damn it. Okay, pullback zone is this one right here. Hold on, let me zoom out. Shit. When a ticker's moving, like there's buying pressure, just go market buy. Just market. I like every time I do a mid on these pressure moves, I won't get filled until I just go ask. Target is 72.24 liquid. Good shit. Good shit, liquid. I'll send you a Masashi gift card. What's up, Ray? How are you? Damn, Harrison's trading? Oh boy. I love it. All right, good catch. Good morning. Good first trade of the day. There'll be more JoJo, don't worry. A lot more options today. A lot more trades to win. Don't you worry, my guy. I promise. The only other trade I'm waiting for is. Oh, yeah, you're in school. Look at all these young traders learning. I love it. Youngins. This is good. Liquid. I didn't say it wasn't a good trade, liquid. I saw it. Okay? So don't put word in my mouth like you always do. Just post this one. Why does this one look identical? It's crazy. That's crazy. We're good. You know, words. Like me not listening to you, always yelling at you. Jojo's trading in class. My guy, you're a wild man. All you students. We got Brody in class. We got Jojo in class. These arrows are done for. Yeah, good. All right, what do you think, Liquid? Don't you yawn me. Futures. Futures guys are doing well. Man, these boys are up early. Whales. Bullish bias. Oh, that's awesome. AMKR. AMAT. AMKR. AMAT. GTX. What's the move? The move is wait. Hey Carlos, did you get any? Carlos, where's Carlos? Carlos, did you catch TM? Okay, let's find the next move for our boy Jojo. Man, how are you guys? Are you guys in college? Better not be in high school and trying to like trade because you guys are wild. If you have money in high school to trade, that's even wild. Gotta. Add. Final year, high school. God, bro. You messaged me on TV. Oh, I see it. I see it. It just popped up. Follow. Copy. Carlos, I see your comments, Carlos. You're a wild man. You didn't trust me. You didn't trust my levels, huh? You didn't trust my charting, huh? Got you. I got you, bro. I'm just kidding. You should never trust my stuff. You should learn from it, though. 69, 69. That's good feeling. Vinyl, what's your thing, my guy? Yeah, Carlos is he got skills, man. Check out his TikTok. Vinyl, just give me your name and what the fuck is it called? Discord. I can type in it right now. or YouTube, whatever you want. Boys, boys, boys. Shh, shh. Why are these kids up and playing already? Oh my god. Final. TV name. Now. Please. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Vinyl plays. Vinyl plays. VINEL plays. Huh? Oh, I gotta add. My bad. Got you. Liquid, do you want it too? I think I gave it to you already, Liquid. Yeah, the liquid trader. Got you. I'm telling you, Liquid Jade is a good name. I wish my screen name was Liquid. I would say Liquid Solid, Liquid, Liquid Gold. Oh, that's a good one too. But Liquid Snake's the best name, so you got to go Liquid Snake. Pullback, boys. ACHR pullback, pre-market high. If you're an ACHR buyer trader, you can trade off this level right here. 9. Netflix is doing its thing. I'm telling you, Netflix is gonna do its thing. I still have my Netflix stuff. Wait, your eyes are burning? Isn't my screen dark? Oh yeah, Jojo. So this is a trade that most of them are already trimmed out, right? Liquid, ACHR, but there's still room to move for this guy. It has to here. You gotta listen, Jojo. It has to hold 9. Okay, $9 to continue up. If it stays under 9, you're just being chopped up. Like 906 to be exact. Like you're getting chopped up right here. So it has to break this level and hold above that 9 level. Yeah, so far we've been in one trade. Cool. Vino, what do you feel about GTX? Liquid didn't get GTX already? Or we traded GTX like a couple weeks ago. I remember getting that name with you before. You can do 1 hour, Jojo. To be safe, 1 hour. To be safer, 4 hours. Don't get itchy, man. Don't look at the 10 seconds and it cracks $9 and you buy it right away. It does, man. GTX, but look, based on a new pixel scan, we got some surging of redness, like surge potential. Look, I like that surge potential pop. Yeah, right here. Like surge me. That's fire, right? Yeah. That's fire. Damn, we got some really good stuff like scanners going on Steam. It's crazy. Dude, your customers can be so mad at you, Carlos, like during a trade. Imagine like you got in a trade and your new customer just walks in and he's like in a rush, but then like you're in a rush and you just fuck up his hair. Sorry, man. I can't cut your hair right now. Just sit here and wait for the next 7 minutes so this candle can close. Oh, I swear, this boy's gonna wake up Mama Bear and she's gonna kill everyone in this house. All right, my next trade can be liquid. I don't know. I know you're already in it. What should we do with this one? Oh, that bounce back worked. I'm that retest level, that line I have right there, TEM, right there, 7050, retested. All right, I'm pulling up GTX for now, liquid, because you asked me to. Shit, the baby's crying now. They woke the baby. God damn it. GTX. Boys, you guys woke up the baby. What did I say? Oh my god. Vino, come take my kids away. I'm gonna beat them, dude. They're 3 and 5. Okay, I'm not answering that GTX then. Jojo, pre-market orb high on ACHR right here. It's bouncing off. Just read the charts. Read the charts for now. I expect another little. Oh my god. Oh, you guys are in trouble. You guys are in trouble. What's good? Sky Irony. Hey guys, you guys on YouTube, can you just like, thumbs up, and share? For love of God. You know, give me some likes, thumbs, reshare, stuff like that. Whatever those influencer would say. Trying to get TikTok and YouTube famous here. All right, hold on. Let me go. Let me go. Yell at the boys. Oh, yeah, Jojo, I'm already watching it. NQ and Spy, I'm watching it. We're waiting for a good SPX trade later. It's too early, or Spy, so just wait. Just wait it out. We'll catch a good one later. Promise. Why is GCX spread so ass? That's why I hate. That's why I didn't trade much liquid because spread was like fucking dumb. Do you think I can crush this even more? I'm trying to put this in my coffee. Do I have to melt it? Do they melt vinyl? These milligrams, or do I have to crush it? Do they melt? Oh yeah, they do melt in liquid. It melts in my mouth. Just kidding. Sorry guys. Dumb talk. Mm-mm. TM retest 7050 level. ACHR is breaking down on pre-market orb high level. So vinyl and pixel, the only for that indicator, just make it just keep the red and green under. I turn off all the other features, which is like it's like buying and selling indicators. Every time it crosses, you don't need that. Just you know, green and red line. I'm just waiting for this NQ to like lock up. This NQ trade is like lagging. I'm just getting chopped up in this range. All right, cool. I gotta get this thing done. 750 level. It's a perfect bounce. See that? You see that? Vinyl, the pre-market orb high level. Secret sauce. I'm giving out secret sauce on YouTube and TikTok, and nobody pays attention. Exactly. It's Thursday, right? It'll be a lot cheaper later, dude. A lot cheaper. Which one did you get, Carlos? The 70 calls? The 75 calls, right? Yeah. Dude, I don't understand these boys, man. You're not feeling good? What's wrong? You caught COVID, didn't you? Working at a bank. People like breathing on you all the time. Hmm? Why are you so stupid? You don't share in my part. You share. You press the share button on YouTube, the reshare button, right? Actually, no, that's just TikTok. You know what? Fine, just jump on TikTok quickly. Just share the stream. Get off. I'll do both. Oh my god, these kids. Boys. What did Daddy say? I'm dead. Probably my last day on live stream. Because Lily is gonna kill me. Let them play. Liquid is 7:30 a.m. They're not playing at 7:30 a.m. The baby is sleeping. Liquid. The mom is sleeping. Okay. They're not playing at this hour. Liquid. You know what, Uncle Liquid? Why don't you take them? You know what? Come babysit them. You know, I'm gonna send you guys away to Uncle Liquid in LA. Yeah, you guys don't listen. He's taking you. I just told him. Oh, now you're scared of Uncle Liquid. Scared of you, Uncle. Okay, go brush your teeth, please. Kobe's a dog. Liquid. Kubi. That's his name, Kubi. It can't even be Kobe. Like, you add an extra O for fun. Dude, I love chatting on Discord and YouTube with you guys. It's hilarious. This room's wild. I love this room. Okay, let's interview these new members. Got no mutual friends. No server. Doesn't look like an EO member. So weird. AMG. One mutual friend. Why does it say one mutual, but I don't see anything? Hmm. Probably losing money. He's an Xbox player. Oh, wrong one. Oh, is this Sam? Christian invited me and say, "Oh, this is Soft's friend." Shut the. He's playing Lily. Okay. Someone scream Lily. I'm all about Lily. Way better than GTX. Liquid. How do you feel about Lily? Not talking about my wife. Vino, do we have a golden circle on SPX Gamma yet? Good job, Carlos. Good job, Jojo. Like once you guys like, I'm talking about Carlos and Jojo. Like once you guys understand like charting and all that fun stuff, like this, it'll come fast to you. You'll see it as you'll see as fast as I can. Hopefully faster. Nice pullback to the green line. Nice pullback to each level. We retested. TEM did exactly what lines, I call them lines, you know, lines and levels showed. What up, CC? Hey, what's up, CC? CC's up in here too. Oh, do you think Lily had that run up because they were banking on that FDA approval? Yep, they were, weren't they? Yep. So CC, this is what I do. So I just read everything. I just try everything, and I reply everything from Discord. So that's why I'm always telling Liquid to get on here so I can hear him. Oh shit! I found your messages, Bino. It was here all the time. I'm so done. Vinyl, your shit's confusing, man. You have vinyl place, and then your other name is like P Goats. That just threw me off. That just threw me off, dude. Oh, you dirty bitch. MQ just skipped my limit by. You son of a bitch. I did not get into Path. Did anyone get into Path? You don't hear any music at all, Erickson? It's on. Here. Any louder? It's probably way too loud. TikTok, do you hear any music? I didn't get it into Path. TikTok, is it loud? Like, too loud? There we go. Is it better for you, Erickson? We got a vibe going on. All right, cool. Path, got you, man. Hold on, let me check something. My mind's jumping everywhere. Semi should be pushing everything, right? Let's see what else is pushing everything. Semi is definitely pushing everything. Cool. What do you think, Cece, on the Path? Would you enter now? You can't hear what? Music? It's definitely there. Yes, right? You all can hear music, right? YouTube. I can't even, like, I can crank up on a fader. My dude's deaf. I don't know. Hearing aid, old man. Path isn't bad, my guy. You can go long here. It'd be a good swing. You can definitely, this could be a good swing, Jojo. If you're still listening. Vinyl just jumped in here. Vinyl jump in here, TikTok, and just share the TikTok. Everyone share the TikTok. I'm talking to people in TikTok. No, you good. Just swing it out. What's your contract, Jojo? Yeah, there's a delay. Like YouTube has. Wait, let me see if I can change the delay on it. There shouldn't be that much of a delay. Yeah, I can't even change the delay. It's just like a delay, right? I wonder how slow the delay is. Uh, JoJo, Path March 20th. I mean, yeah, March $20 calls. Has really good flow. I got in a little bit early. Wait, what? JoJo, you got what? But 45 cents, 130. What does that mean? 40. Which contract do you take on Path? Not UCC. I'm JoJo on TikTok. Oh, 45. 45. Oh, 45. For 130? You madman. You say $45 calls for 130? I don't even see $45 calls. Oh, 45 per contract. What's your strike? Like, is it $20 calls? Oh, nice. You got 17 calls. $17 calls for the 130. Because I read that as like $45 calls for 130. I'm like, what the fuck? My bad. I'm done. That's my fault. Here's a tip. When you see cheap contracts, don't buy them. Cheap contracts doesn't mean like, yeah, if buyers step in, volume kicks in, premium kicks up, you get paid out pretty well. But for like a slow name, lower volume, prices are a little bit lower. Try to get like at the money or in the money with time. That's how those sellers get to you. So CC brought up Path March $20 calls, decent flow. Someone check March, $20 flow. And then one thing you gotta look for is that nice. Which trade do you hit 1400% with? Lino. Oh, that's perfect. Did I time that perfectly? Erickson, that's fucking thanks. Oh, nice catch, dude. Lino, I hate you. You did scream that out yesterday. You did post it. And that was in call outs too, I think. ACHR, 13 calls for June. Oh, JoJo, March contracts, March 20th for the $20 calls. Has yeah. Good flow for that. A lot of volume. Dude, 17 is gonna rip for you. It's gonna be nuts. Why is the boy so quiet? Did they? 10:45. Yeah, they gotta brush their teeth. Friend Q, call out. What's up, Captain? Captain call outs here. I love it. I need you to call it out for us, please. Yes, Vinyl, sir. I'm right here. I see you, Vinyl. What's up? Here we go. SPX. You tell me when. I'm ready. We're going short? This is a short. I know we're getting a pullback. Are we waiting? I'm ready to take off for you, man. You tell me. You better step away then, my guy. You better step away then, my guy. We could... This could be crazy. This could be a very crazy move, but... Why the... Oh my god. I didn't mean that. Oh my god. If it breaks 69.56, just smash puts. Go to 69.30 or 69.35. Here's this look. What do you think? Oh, baby. You know what? Pull up the puts for fun. Pull up the puts for fun. 69.30 is... They're $3 each. 69.35 is $4 each. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take one 69.30 puts. One. I gotta zoom in. 3 minutes. It has to crack low. 69.56. I want it to crack, and I'm gonna go on the opposite impulse. Calls just came in. Shit, we can play both ways right now. It's right there on the line. Mine, I'm following you. You tell me. Dude, Captain, my NQ got smashed. I should have taken profit. Alright, I'll make it back later today. But all day at NQ. Erickson, do you hear music? It's not too loud, right? Just want to make sure. Not crank it on your ears. Just follow a gamma. Let's focus on a gamma chart. And pixels. Yeah, just focus on that. Just shout when we have a yellow golden dot. Exactly. See, that's why I'm like. You want to flip a coin, Liquid? You want to flip a coin on this SPX? Up or down? Fuck it, we'll just wait. Let's wait end of the day. End of the day. Like we'll do it at 11:30 trade. That'll be cheaper. We'll do a cheaper play. Exactly, Vino. We don't have to do anything. I'm about to have to tap off soon because the Bulls. I'm just watching this puts that I pulled up, by the way. I kind of want to do this, but I don't want to get my ass like ripped. Structure is pointing down. I'm gonna ask the futures guys. Let's ask the future squad. They know their ES. Good trade, Christian. Good fucking trade, Christian. Damn. Gator doesn't know. We're backing out. Don't take anything. The master doesn't know. Stepping away. Hey boys, go brush your teeth. He says it should bounce, Vino. But I don't know about this orange box we're all staring at right here. I'm gonna go long NQ here. Captain call out. Oh, I went long right on time. Son of a bitch on NQ at least. Good bounce on NQ. Give me another impulse. I want to take another impulse. Final, what are we pinned at for SPX? What's your assumption for this SPX pinned? Upside. Exactly, call that. 75 pin exactly? I was looking at 75 calls too. I don't want to take that then. I'm just gonna wait. Let's just wait one day. I'll get a cheaper contract. Let's go cheaper. We can do like 100 cons at the end of the day. Yeah. We'll find like a 50 cents or 30, like 50, 60 cents contract and just smash it. So Cam, I got to buy at on NQ 819. Yes, Kong? Right now, I'll go make it right now, baby. Vinyl. Vinyl. I don't know why I did it. I did 69.30. What the fuck did I just buy? Why did I buy puts? Oh my god. Break even for me. I need to get out. Oh my god. I picked the wrong thing. I know, call out. Fuck. Why'd I do that? Come on, just break even. I want to go cost. Not breaking even. I'm out. That was retarded of me. That was the dumbest move ever. Oh, I'm gonna step away and make some breakfast. Fuck. Damn it. My bad, guys. But I'm back. Yeah, I know. So I bought. Remember, I bought puts accidentally, and I closed that out. I wanted the 75 calls, which I clicked. That went 100%. So I'm really fucking mad. Oh, my NQ is, yeah, my NQ is ripping right now. So at least I caught that, right? Bro, call. I gotta be more like. I gotta pay attention to the order screen. I even said it out loud too. Like I was calling out loud, like 75 calls. And I just pinned. I'm like 70 calls. But then I still had the fucking 6930 puts in the order screen. So I just clicked buy, thinking that I picked the other one. Bro, I'm so mad at myself for that. That's a 100. That was a 100. I'm actually like mad at myself. Like in a bad mood that I missed it. Yes, kids. Okay, I'll be right there. Positive note, NQ is kicking. Right call out. At least you caught something. Oh my God, Vino. Please. Let's get it, Captain. Let's get it, Captain. Hey, that's a win, baby. That's a win, baby. That's a win. I'm back for a little bit. Let's ride. Let's ride.
I can see the way forward, but I'm never giving up, never giving up. I could find a way forward. I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish I could see the way forward, but I'm never giving up, never giving up. I could find a way forward.
All right. How are we doing? Celine Dion? I have no idea. It's this channel. So yeah, I know Pixel. Fuck that. Fuck that. But good thing I cut that really fast. 20%. Just did 20%. Or could have been 100% on those SPX calls. You know what? I'm gonna catch a better one end of day. Maddie, you ready for this shit? That was good though. That was really good. You don't like Celine Dion? Liquid? This is good music, by the way. Carlos, Jojo, Tem is working very well off those levels. Good execution, my boys. Great freaking execution. You already know your levels, Carlos, so got it, right? Good NQ trade. Here's a pullback test. Carlos, captain. I'm gonna set an entry at 82. What was that at? 89, 91, 891. All right, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna set my fib for SPX for later today. I have to ditch mine later. There's your SPX fib. We are gonna buy here. 69.60. Yes, sir, I did. On that quick pullback. Here, let me bring this up so I can see the way I chart. So I would fib on the 4 hour. And I would just do the last hour. So the most recent hour, 4 hour candle, I would fib that. So we did a swing low to high because it's a bullish look. Then I just zoom in, and then at every fib level, you have your entries and exits estimated, right? So based on that hour, the pullback was here, and it maintained a golden zone buy zone hold for a while, right? But it broke down. It broke down to the pre-market low, which is one of the indicators I have, the red line. Held that really well. Also bounced off the 200, and this is on a 3-minute frame. I do this NQ all my futures on 3 minutes, but I fib on the 4 hours most of the time. So I have levels, and then on that pullback, I know there's a 50 retracement here. I went a little above it, so I did an entry right above where you see those lines right there, those levels. Test, retest, all bunch of lines, right? That's how I do it. TEM, they're about 35% up. Carlos, Jojo, so do your thing. Trim, take money, run, buy candy. And also, if you like squint, if you want, look at this. There's your mini channel. So another another trade strategy I would use is the channel, right? And see if I see like some kind of channel look, I would go long at every bottom, and I would go short at every top of the channel. Keep doing it until the process breaks, until the channel breaks. But we got a good hold here, so I expect you to test here, go down, and then we want to see a continuation up. Like it'll be like bow, 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 bow. Wishful thinking, but who knows? Let's see if it plays out. Let's just leave this chart on here. Dude, I'm just staring at the SPX that I missed. Whatever. But yeah, you see that Captain? I'm pretty sure you have your own good like strategy too. What's your like? How do you? What do you use to answer? Like, what's your strategy? I want to know. Vinyl. I hope you caught the calls on the SPX vinyl or Pixel. Tristan, get ready. Are you done? Okay, wash your hand and mouth. Go change. We got all day. All right, cheaper discount at the end of the day. Fine with that. Just perfect. Yeah. Right. 45% on the 70 calls. 26% on the 75 calls. Carlos, stop cutting hair. Take your profit. Remember, compounded. Good win. 1 out of 1 today. That SPX accident was not my play. That was an accidental play. This number was 6988. Pixel, what'd you catch? Love it, dude. Yeah, whatever makes money, right? Good shit. Call out. The thing about trading is that there's no one strategy. There's not one strategy you have to stick to. Find what works best for you. If that one doesn't work, look for another one. Keep it as simple as possible. All right, chat. I gotta hop off. I'm back on. Let's say 11:30, 12 o'clock. We'll catch an end of day SPX trade. Yeah, it'll be a nice play. Like if this is gonna play out, I do want to see this orange spot retested. If it gets here, we'll load up calls. End of day. All right, guys. I am out. Catch you in Discord. Bye.